Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming essentials: a supported Android phone, a current Google account, and a prepaid or virtual debit card you control. Open Google Pay and sign in, then select Add Payment Method and choose Card. Enter the card number, expiry, and CVV. This adds a funding source without a traditional bank. Once done, top up that card via its issuer or retail reload. Make sure SMS verification works. Google sends an OTP to confirm ownership, so you can proceed immediately. Once the card is added, handle verification. Respond to the OTP and follow any identity prompts. This prevents future blocks. Next, enable NFC in settings and set Google Pay as your default contactless payment. That allows tap to pay at terminals. If Google asks for billing address, use the card's registered address. Also link alternate funding like a reloadable Prepaid provider or e-wallet that permits transfers into your Prepaid card. These steps ensure you can pay instantly and avoid bank dependence. You finish by testing. Make a small contactless purchase or online checkout using Google Pay to confirm authorization and receipts. Then secure the wallet, enable device lock, require authentication for payments, and turn on notifications so you see every charge. If something fails, verify the Prepaid card type. Some card networks or gift cards aren't supported. Confirm your country permits wallet use without a bank, and rerun KYC if requested. If verification errors persist, contact the card issuer for transaction trace details.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.